Hello Internet, welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Tori and today I have an update for the Alice in WonderPAN's Project Pan. I'm excited for this one. This is a Project Pan that was created by Alyshia. She will be listed down below as well as the master list for this project because this is a fantastic ladies collab. So let's just jump into it. I've been waiting to pull in some new items and we're at that point. So the first thing rolling out is for the Prompt Mad Hatter, a product that drives you insane. This is the e.l.f. Beauty Shield. I'm just gonna check it. I'm not dealing with it. It's technically expired. I'm just going to check it. I decided that on the 15th of July. Won't be missed. Won't be missed. And then the next item that is rolling out is for Army of Cards, a product that never lets you down. So I picked Sugarpill's Trinket, and my goal was to finish it. And how many uses did it take me? It took me 9 uses since the last update, and this was finished on July 26th. Love Trinket, love Sugarpill. Yeah, very happy that another one is done because I have a lot of these now. Well, not of Trinket, but a lot of liquid lips from Sugarpill in general. They haven't released anything in a hot minute, which scares me, but hopefully they have some new innovative products coming out soon. So the items remaining in order from oldest to newest. Starting off the bat is for Cheshire Cat, a lip product. I have the Melt, not liquid lipstick, bullet lipstick. If I can get the cap to open. The cap broke, so now it's like a fight every time to open it to see if it wants to open. Anyway, this is frisky. Since the last update, I only used it once. Not too bad, but not the best. I had to put this in a skincare fridge because all my lip products are melting because my room is a sauna. So hopefully it will happen soon, but if it doesn't, it's okay. Next, for the White Rabbit, a product you relate buying, I have the Ofra Cloud 9 highlighter. So my goal with this item in this project is to use it 30 times. Since the last update, I've used it 6, so there's 12 more uses left to go. I really hope I hit that by the next update. I was trying to really hit it before this update, but I've become a wee bit forgetful recently, so that doesn't help. Then the last item to talk about before the roll-ins is for Not All Who Wander Are Lost, a product you discovered by accident or wandered upon randomly. So I have the LA Girl Glitterholic Hollow Glam Glitter Topper. My goal is to use it 10 times. Since the last update, I used it twice, so 7 more uses left to go. I've noticed that when I try to do blue looks, this automatically goes on. So I've been having a lot of fun with it. So now, the new items, the newbies. So the first prompt I'm pulling in is, who are you? A product you have no idea where it came from. I really don't remember how I got this. I'm gonna assume I bought it from some type of like SEO store or CCO. That's what they're called, CCOs. But this is the Urban Decay eyeliner in Whiskey. I haven't used this in a hot minute. My goal is going to be just to use it 5 times, not to overwhelm myself with eyeliners because I kind of have been. But I can't wait to use it. And then the other products and prompts rolling in is for Queen of Hearts, a product that dominates your collection. So the item that dominates is the Fenty Glow. What are you, just a normal Fenty Glow lip gloss? When I tried it for the first time in like 2018, that was like one of the first lip gloss I finished and ever panned because I couldn't stop wearing it. Then I got a full size and once again panned it because I couldn't stop wearing it. I just love how especially this one feels on your lips. I think I also have Sweet Mouth, and I like it, but this one just is like the creme de la creme. Like I love it. So my goal is going to be to only use it 10 times So it's not too crazy. So hopefully it probably will be rolled out by the next update. But I'm very happy to have this back into my life. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. That was my short and sweet update for this this update for this project. I'm very excited. I need to count how many prompts I have left because I failed to mention that this is a rolling style project, so I still have a lot of prompts to go, but I am having fun and I feel like I get to keep pulling in like interesting items into this project, which it helps a lot. It keeps me inspired. But yeah, if you enjoyed me, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and all that jazz, and I hope you have an amazing day or night whenever you are watching this. Peace out, Girl Scout.